Welcome to AMA Auto Reviews, where AI meets automotive. The 2025 Brabus G900 is the ultimate expression of power, luxury, and exclusivity. Based on the already formidable Mercedes-AMG G63, Brabus has taken this legendary SUV to the next level with an aggressive new design, a handcrafted interior, and a monstrous 900 horsepower engine. This is not just an SUV, it's a statement of dominance on the road. But does it justify its $500,000 price tag? Let's find out. Brabus has completely reworked the exterior, making the G900 more menacing than ever. The carbon fiber front grille features an illuminated Brabus emblem, flanked by massive air intakes and a redesigned bumper for improved aerodynamics. Carbon fiber hood scoop enhances airflow, while the widened fender flares add to its intimidating presence. The LED roof light bar and high-performance matrix headlights ensure maximum visibility in all conditions. The G900 sits on 24-inch Brabus monoblock forged wheels, wrapped in ultra-high-performance tires, further enhancing its aggressive stance. The rear features a quad titanium exhaust system with carbon tips, producing a deep, ferocious growl that announces its presence long before it arrives. The interior of the G900 is a true masterpiece, where ultra-luxury meets high-performance design. Every surface is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, with Brabus embossing adding an exclusive touch. The sports seats provide supreme comfort and support, featuring intricate diamond stitching and custom color options. A 12.3-inch digital driver's display and a matching infotainment touchscreen dominate the dashboard, offering Brabus-specific graphics, performance telemetry, and seamless wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The ambient lighting system is fully customizable, creating a futuristic atmosphere inside the cabin. Rear passengers enjoy first-class treatment with reclining captain's chairs, dual entertainment screens, and an extended panoramic sunroof, ensuring a luxurious ride no matter the destination. Under the hood, the 4.5-liter twin-turbocharged V8 has been pushed to its absolute limit, producing 900 horsepower and 1,250 Newton-meters of torque. This allows the G900 to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, an astonishing feat for such a massive SUV. The 9-speed automatic transmission has been optimized for lightning-fast shifts, while the Brabus Ride Control adaptive suspension offers the perfect balance of comfort and high-performance handling. Whether tearing down highways, dominating off-road trails, or cruising through city streets, the G900 delivers an exhilarating driving experience that is second to none. Brabus has not only focused on power, but also ensured the G900 is packed with state-of-the-art safety features. A 360-degree camera system provides a clear, high-definition view of the surroundings, while adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking make every drive safer and more convenient. The Brabus high-performance braking system ensures that this 900 horsepower beast can stop just as quickly as it accelerates. With a starting price of $500,000, the 2025 Brabus G900 Rocket Edition is reserved for those who demand the absolute best in performance, luxury, and exclusivity. Limited production numbers make it even more desirable, ensuring that only a select few will ever own this masterpiece. Is the Brabus G900 the ultimate luxury SUV, or is it an over-the-top machine built for excess? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more high-performance car reviews.